Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield cowl on a 2003 Mercedes-Benz E55 AMG. I hope you enjoy the video. Most cars this age, the windshield cowling is dry rotting, and you can see right here it's breaking apart and dry rotting. And unfortunately, Mercedes made this rubber piece as part of, or it's integrated into the actual plastic cowl cover. So you have to buy the entire plastic cowl cover, and which includes the rubber gasket. And I'll show you the part number. The part number, I ordered it. I'd like to give a shout out to the Mercedes-Benz dealer here in Atlanta, RBM. The parts department there was very helpful. This is the part here for the 2003 W211 E55 AMG windshield cowling. And also, here's what it looks like. Here's what it looks like out of the box, brand new. As you can see, this is the rubber piece right here, and it's going to sit up against the windshield. And this right here is a drain for the cowling. We have to take the windshield wipers off, and there are 3 nuts that hold the windshield wipers on. This one here, and these 2 here. And originally they had black nut covers on them, and they're gone. And here's what they look like, and here's the part number here for the nut cover. The nuts that hold the windshield wiper blades on are 13 millimeter. So you'll need a 13 millimeter socket wrench. This is the rubber gasket that just slips onto the cowling, and it goes around it looks like around the entire engine bay, but this basically just slips off like this. And so we'll go ahead and pull that off. We'll just kind of set that aside. And then we'll go ahead and unscrew the windshield wiper nuts. That one came off pretty easily. And we'll don't lose the nut. And the windshield wiper blade, we'll need to pull that off. I'll do that in a minute. In order to pull the windshield wiper blade off, you pull the blade up and you tilt the entire blade forward, and it pops off. And now what we want to do is we want to remove this electrical connection here to this guy. Yeah, so these are going to be T20 Torx. We'll unscrew these 3 guys. Actually, there's a nut over here. I see it that I didn't see before. Right here. So we're gonna have to remove that. There are 4 push pins that hold the cowling in place also. It took me a minute to figure out how to get these out, but I've got a pair of clip wire cutters with a kind of a nose that's a stub nose. You can literally put these like this and pull the push pins out if you don't have the special tool, push pin removal tool. Here, I'm just gonna grab it right like that and pull. And it comes out. I've got this guy here that's attached. I'm gonna unclip this. Just kind of pull it off of there. You can see the rubber pieces are coming off on my hand. And then this thing should come on out of there. There we go. It's being held in by some push pins underneath. And I'll show you on the new one. Here are the push pins that are holding it in. Here's the rubber drain pipe right here, and it goes underneath this piece. I'm just gonna see if I can't pull this off of here. That drain hose right there. And the cowling finally lifts out. Here we go. And you can see how broken up the rubber piece is. And I also wanted to show you one other thing. I think it's going to be necessary to take the box off that holds the cabin air filter, and this thing just kind of slides on like this, and there's a single nut that holds on, nut and bolt that holds the cabin air filter down. So I unscrewed it, and this thing just kind of just pulls off. So you'll need to take that off as well, because when you take that off, then you can see the drain hose here, and the new cowling comes with a brand new drain hose, and you can just lift out the old one here. So we'll lift that out and replace it. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean off the area, and probably, since we lost a lot of plastic pieces, we'll just look down through here and clean this out. Make sure we don't have any. I think this is one of the push pins that didn't come out. So we'll pull that one out of here. So I took my pliers and literally pulled out the push pin that broke off into the housing here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take some cleaner and just clean this out.